Hey guys, welcome back to the channel in Vlogtober day 18. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you, so keep on watching. Alright guys, welcome back. So today I went to the Dollar Tree to purchase some organization things for my kitchen, and I found so many goodies that I thought I would show you guys what I found. But before I show you guys everything, if you are new to the channel, my name is Shirley and I do cleaning, I do laundry, I do organization, decluttering. I have so many videos on my channel. I'm currently doing Vlogtober. If any of these things are of interest to you, don't forget to subscribe and of course hit the notification bell to be notified of when I upload my videos. I would love to have you as a member of my YouTube family. So let's start over here. Guys, I actually went to the Dollar Tree to purchase things to organize under my kitchen sink. That video is coming out tomorrow. The kitchen cabinet, under the sink is like a complete mess. I've tried to declutter and organize it several times. So this is my last attempt before we leave this house. So I'm going to try one more time and take you guys along with me. So that was my purpose for going to the Dollar Tree. And of course, when you go there, you find so many cool things and you're like, oh, it's only $1. So okay guys, we're gonna start over here. So not only did I find things for organizing and decluttering, I also found a lot of cool like decor items for my laundry room. So my laundry room is not really decorated. We are planning on leaving this house in the next 6 months or so. So I didn't want to spend any money to purchase anything to decorate the laundry room. But these were so cute and inexpensive. So I thought, you know what? Let me go ahead and get some of these things just to spruce up the laundry room. So actually, let me start here and show you guys. So I got this sign right here from their Main Street wall creations stickers. So this is what it's gonna look like when you put it all together. But it says laundry room, sort tomorrow, wash later, dry soon, fold maybe, iron, get real. Guys, laundry is always something that is so overwhelming for just about everyone because you literally have to do laundry every day. Because I do laundry and then right away there's more dirty clothes. So I'm constantly every day doing laundry. So I thought this was really cool. So for the laundry room, I also got these two things. This one just says the laundry room, loads of fun. So cute, for only $1. And then this one says sort, wash, and fold. Of course, I showed you guys this one already, but it says wash and dry open 24 hours. I was thinking about doing something for the socks, the mismatched socks that always seem to end up back in the dirty clothes. So I thought this was really cool for $1. So I will be doing a video where I deep clean and organize my laundry room. So I'm glad to have these. I can add decorating to that declutter, deep clean, and organize laundry video. I can add a little bit of decorations. So while I was there, I also found this right here, part of their Main Street wall creations. It says, wash your hands and say your prayers because Jesus and germs are everywhere. I thought this was so nice to put in the girls' bathroom, which I will be doing a whole house clean video. It's going to be coming up next week. So yeah. So excited to use that. Also got this little Wi-Fi, sweet Wi-Fi password sign right here. Also things that had nothing to do with under the sink. Well, it actually does. I purchased these 2 tool boxes because we have a lot of tools underneath our sink, which they don't belong there. They're just randomly there. So I thought that we have 1 toolbox, so all of our tools don't fit in there. So I thought I would buy some extra ones to make sure all the tools fit in there. And while I was there, I saw this level, which I definitely need. And then this right here is a foldable hex key. So it has different sizes for when you're putting different items together. You always need hex keys. So this is just one. It's just one thing you have to worry about instead of worrying about a million different hex keys. When I organize underneath my sink, you're gonna see a trillion of these because every time I open something to put it together, I keep the hex keys. So maybe I won't have to do that anymore. So anyways, guys, I got some adhesive hooks and also this tape measure, and you cannot go wrong with Totally Awesome. They did not have the actual bottle that has the spray head. They only had the refill, but I do have a bottle. I don't think I threw it away yet, so I'm gonna just refill it and that'll be all. So I also got this right here for organizing underneath the sink. Like I said, I have a lot of tools and I also have a lot of like thumbtacks and screws and things like that. So I thought this would be cool to organize them in. And then I just purchased some stuff for the girls. I just thought these were so cute for them. So I don't know if I'm gonna give these to them now or use them as stocking stuffers for Christmas. That's probably what I'll do. But yeah, I thought these were so cute. And then of course they already have Christmas stuff out already. And I thought this was so cute. Is this little Santa solar dancing? I guess the sun will charge it and then it'll just, you see that? That is so cool. So I just got a few Christmas things. Got a Santa ornament, a little tree topper, and I got 2 of these, which I'm going to be using, one in our master bathroom and one in the girls' bathroom. So definitely gonna have a lot of Christmas videos coming up, so subscribe if you're interested in any of those things. And then I purchased some books for the girls. We read every single night, so just thought it'd be cool to have some extra books. They were only $1. And of course my girls love to draw and doodle, so I got each of them a doodle pad. And I thought this was so cool, this unicorn fund that they can use to save up for whatever they want, maybe a toy or something. And then what I went there for is to get stuff to organize underneath my sink. So I just got a couple things. Now, when you guys see underneath my sink, you're gonna see why it's so hard to organize under there, because there are a lot of pipes under there. So there's not a lot of space to actually put, you know, your cleaning products and stuff like that. So that's why I think that it's really hard to keep it organized, because I don't have a lot of space to put actual organizers. So I got some things that I think will fit. We shall see. We are going to do this together. But I got these 2 organizers. They are 3x5. You're supposed to like put index cards in them. But I really liked that they have the tops right here. So I was thinking about maybe putting my sponges in here. So we'll see. So that's what I bought these for. I bought some extra sponges because honestly, I don't even know what I have under there because it's so crazy. I'm going to show you guys at the end of this video just how bad it looks. Just a little preview of what we're going to be working with tomorrow. So I have these scrub buddies. These are really cool. Very pretty. And then also got some reusable gloves just to have in the kitchen. I have some in my cleaning caddy. If you guys have not seen that video, I'm going to go ahead and link it right here. And then I also got these. They're small, so they should fit. So 2 organizer baskets. And then guys, I also got these baskets. They were $1 each. I got 4 of them. They also have, these are white and then the tops are black. They also have black ones with white tops. So if you want or need any of these, check out your local Dollar Tree. And then I got these bigger bins right here, these bigger baskets right here. There's 4 of them. And then just these vinyl top liners to line the bottom of the cabinet. Again, because we're renting, I don't want to use anything that sticks, but I also want to keep the bottom of the cabinet clean. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that is it for today. Got a lot of cool stuff. I love my local Dollar Tree. Let me know if you guys have started getting stuff for Christmas yet, because when I go to Walmart or the Dollar Tree, they definitely have stuff out. So it's really hard to stay disciplined and not purchase anything. But let me know if you guys have started Christmas shopping. Let me know also if you are enjoying my Vlogtober videos. If you've missed any of my videos, I will have a playlist at the bottom of this video in the description box, so be sure to check out all of my Vlogtober videos so far. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, guys, as promised, this is what my kitchen sink cabinet looks like. It is an absolute mess. I cannot wait to get it together, and I will definitely show you guys what it looks like in tomorrow's Vlogtober video. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on that video.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be.